Thank you so much to Laundry Sauce for sponsoring a portion of this video. And welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. I don't have too much to do to get ready for the week ahead. Just a little bit of cleaning, some laundry, a little bit of organizing in the kitchen. So let's get started. Starting off upstairs because I do need to pull a load of laundry to get started from my room. But before I do that, I'm gonna quickly make up my bed. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that we have been waiting and waiting for them to come and pick up this temporary furniture out of our house, and we finally got a date. So I'm so excited for that stuff to get out of the house because it's so cluttered. The bed and the footstools that you see at the end of the bed and those mirrors over there are actually ours, as well as the bedding and all of that. But the nightstands, the lamps, all that living room furniture in our secondary living room. Guest room is also packed with headboards, bed frames, mattresses, box springs. All that stuff doesn't belong to us. So I'm just happy that eventually they'll come and pick it up and I can film more and start really decorating like I want to. Right now, I'm just kind of like in waiting mode, waiting for them to clear out some of this stuff so that I can just make it our own. Starting with our nightstands, because once they take these nightstands and these lamps, we're gonna have to have something to replace it with ASAP. So the first things we'll probably get will be nightstands and a dresser, or nightstands and a kitchen table.
Take a train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did this.
All right, let's get into some laundry. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know I try to do at least one load of laundry a day. And today I'm going to be doing a load of me and Brandon's clothes. And of course, I'm going to be using Laundry Sauce. If you saw my previous video, I talked all about it. And if you haven't heard about Laundry Sauce, they're pretty much a luxury laundry product brand. And they have detergent pods, dryer sheets, fabric conditioner, scent beads, and they have some of the best smelling scents for laundry detergent that I've ever smelled in my life. The scent that I'm currently using is Australian Sandalwood, which has a really nice woodsy cologne but still refreshing scent to it. And like I said in my other video, this scent lingers, so it's perfect for bedding, towels. It's a good gift for yourself, but also a gift for anybody else in your life that you know would appreciate a little piece of luxury, either for Christmas or as a housewarming gift, somebody who just got married. Anyway, you guys know I have a coupon code for you guys because this portion of my video is sponsored, so thank you so much to Laundry Sauce. If you guys want to try this out for yourself, and trust me, you guys will love this stuff. Not only does it smell good, it does actually clean my clothes. Use my code Candis Halligan 15 to get 15% off your entire order. Use my QR code here on the screen to get to where you need to go. So we have this great water dispenser in our kitchen that dispenses hot water, room temp water, and also cold water. And it's actually one of my favorite things in the house. I didn't think I would love it as much, but I really do. And we get the water jugs delivered to our house each week. So we just set out the old ones and they come and replace it with new ones. The tap water here in Thailand isn't the best for drinking or even cooking with, so you'll see most families have a filtered water dispenser somewhere in their home. We use this for pretty much anything. I didn't think we would need one this large in our kitchen because it is just another eyesore that we have no control over, but I am happy we have it because it's just so convenient. This is more of an everyday thing. I always have to empty my dishwasher because my sink gets full of dishes super quick. So I'm doing that so I can put all the dirty dishes into the dishwasher, and then I'm just gonna leave the things I need to wash by hand in there, which is usually my silverware. Now I'm just gonna cut up some cucumbers that I had in the fridge. When I cut them up and put them in a container like this, the kids eat them up faster, and before these went bad, I just went ahead and peeled them and prepared them in this container for anybody to take out and snack on. My whole family loves cucumbers, so we always have this in the fridge. I'm also gonna refill my glass containers with milk, creamer, and apple juice. Onto the kitchen floor, I'm gonna vacuum and then I'm gonna mop. So we have this small 2-seater table in our kitchen that came with our house. We have the option to have it removed when our other temporary furniture is picked up. Somehow it kind of grew on us. The kids are the only ones who sit here in the mornings when they eat breakfast. Sometimes I'll end up folding clothes here because the laundry room is right off the kitchen. Sometimes I'll put all of our groceries here when we come in and unpack groceries, but it's also kind of in my way and it's definitely not my style. So we're actually not sure if we should have it removed or keep it here. What do you guys think? showed you guys this before, but this is the floor cleaner that I like to use. It's antibacterial with a lavender scent. Although I do not smell the lavender in this floor cleaner, it's not strong at all, but I just use a little bit and then fill the rest up with super hot water. I like this because it doesn't leave my floors streaky or sticky. The last thing I'm going to be doing in today's video is taking the clothes out of the washing machine that I threw in there earlier using my laundry sauce detergent and throwing some of those clothes in the dryer. There are some clothes that we like to hang to dry, so I'm going to do that, and that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.